Hey there, and welcome back to Goodness Nature. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to remove nail fungus naturally. Nail fungus, also known as onychomycosis, can be a frustrating and embarrassing problem. But don't worry, we've got you covered with effective and natural remedies that will help you get rid of nail fungus once and for all. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into the remedies, let's briefly discuss what nail fungus is. Nail fungus is a common fungal infection that affects the nails, often causing them to become discolored, thickened, and brittle. It can be caused by various factors, including poor foot hygiene, wearing tight shoes, and walking barefoot in public places. If left untreated, nail fungus can spread and lead to more severe complications. Now let's move on to the natural remedies. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful antifungal agent that can effectively combat nail fungus. Start by trimming your nails and gently filing the affected areas. Then, apply a few drops of tea tree oil directly to the infected nails using a cotton swab or dropper. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Repeat this process twice daily for several weeks until you notice improvement. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties that can help fight nail fungus. In a small basin, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water. Soak your affected nails in this solution for 15-20 minutes twice a day. After soaking, pat your nails dry thoroughly. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar creates an unfavorable environment for the fungus to thrive, promoting healing. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has natural antifungal properties. Crush a few garlic cloves and mix them with olive oil to create a paste. Apply this paste directly onto the affected nails and cover them with a bandage. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat this remedy daily until the fungus clears up. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for nail fungus. Apply a thin layer of organic coconut oil to the affected nails and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave it on overnight and rinse in the morning. Repeat this process daily until the fungus disappears. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is another powerful natural remedy for treating nail fungus. Its antifungal properties can help eliminate the infection. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. Apply the mixture to the affected nails using a cotton swab or dropper. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat this process twice daily for several weeks to see improvement. Vinegar soak. Apart from apple cider vinegar, another type of vinegar that can be effective against nail fungus is white vinegar. Fill a basin with equal parts of white vinegar and warm water. Soak your affected nails in this solution for 15-20 minutes twice a day. After soaking, thoroughly dry your nails. The acidity of white vinegar creates an inhospitable environment for the fungus, helping to clear the infection. Baking soda paste. Baking soda has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can be helpful in treating nail fungus. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with water until it forms a thick consistency. Apply the paste directly to the affected nails, ensuring it covers the entire nail and surrounding areas. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Repeat this remedy daily until the fungus disappears. Lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon juice possesses antifungal properties that can aid in combating nail fungus. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and apply it directly to the infected nails using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Lemon juice can be drying, so it's essential to moisturize your nails afterward. Repeat this remedy daily until you notice improvement. Lavender oil. Lavender oil not only has a pleasant aroma, but also contains antifungal properties that can help eliminate nail fungus. Dilute a few drops of lavender oil in a carrier oil, such as almond oil or jojoba oil. Apply the mixture to the affected nails using a cotton swab or dropper. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Repeat this process twice daily for several weeks for best results. Prevention tips. Prevention is better than cure. Here are a few tips to help you prevent nail fungus in the future. Keep your feet clean and dry, especially after swimming or using public showers. Trim your nails regularly and avoid sharing nail clippers or files. Wear breathable shoes and socks made of natural materials. Finally, maintain good foot hygiene by using antifungal powders or sprays in your shoes. And there you have it, our complete guide on how to remove nail fungus naturally. Remember, consistency is key when using these remedies, and results may vary from person to person. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.